Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure GoPro Quik for editing in Cloud Sync step by step clearly. Open the GoPro Quik app on your device. If you haven't already, sign in or create a GoPro account. Once signed in, you will see the main dashboard. To import your videos, tap on the Media tab at the bottom. Select Import to choose the videos from your camera or your device. Connect your GoPro camera to your device using a USB cable or through Wi-Fi for wireless transfer. Choose the footage you want to import and tap Import All or select specific clips. After importing, navigate back to the Media tab where your videos will now appear. To start editing, select a video clip. Once the video is open, you will see various editing tools at the bottom. Use the trim feature to shorten the video if needed. Adjust the speed settings to create slow motion or fast motion effects. You can also add music by tapping on the music icon and selecting a track. Explore the filters and effects available to enhance your footage further. Once you're satisfied with your edits, tap Save to finalize the video. Your edited video will be saved under the Projects tab. To sync your videos to the cloud, navigate to the Settings menu. Select Cloud Sync to enable it. Make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection for smooth syncing. Choose the desired settings for automatic uploads if available. Once you've configured Cloud Sync, your videos will start uploading automatically. You can check the upload status in the cloud section of the app. Now your videos are securely stored in the cloud. Congratulations, you've successfully configured GoPro Quik for editing in Cloud Sync. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.